that recording is started.
Yeah. Help me like admitting the people, Shravan. Thank you. So, hi all, Tejasvi here. Welcome to the first ever session on our 3-dot indicators. This means a lot to me. You guys have shown interest to attend this session on a weekend. Thanks a lot for that, right? So I have a small PPT which I would like to go through, and I'll try to. I think we'll have a discussion later. Let's put it casual and interactive. Whenever you guys have, please mute your videos, guys. I think Jyoti, please mute your video. Okay. So we'll keep it interactive. First thing, let me complete the full flow once. I'll have a separate Q&A session there. If at all you have a upfront question, I think you can put it in a chat. I'll check it if it should be answered and discussed. Okay. So again, welcome all you for this presentation. So basically, agenda of this presentation is something like this. Like I'll have my introduction, then I rely mostly on the trading edge, and then I'll go through indicators, whatever I have scripted, and the system how to enter, where to enter, what should be our profit. That discussion will have. So putting all together like indicators, entries, exits, and all. I'll go through some historical trades which has given by the system, and I think many of you have already got it, and hopefully you're using it. If you guys have any questions on there, I think we'll discuss on that. And I have some next plans also which I will be discussing. Okay. So I'm Tejasvi. I just want to introduce myself. Basically, I'm a software engineer. So I got interested into markets after constructing my home. Basically, I constructed my home somewhere in 2017. I started getting some huge EMIs. Then I thought to get some extra income, and then somehow through some link I got to know, okay, from stock market we can make some money. Over the period of 2.5 years, I think I lost huge money, which I could have almost partly paid my home loan, right? So after that, I paused for a while, and I was introspecting myself, what I was doing, what was the thing which went wrong and all. So finally, I decided I should be doing some systematic trading. Earlier, you put something, it'll fetch you very good return. So sometimes what happens, you have just 10,000 rupees. By the end of the day, you make 20,000 rupees. Those things also happen. That's where people get lured, and they will lose big, right? So later I decided to not to do that, and started some systematic trading, right? So even then every time I try, it was getting failed. Later I decided to do some automation. That also got failed. Finally, there are so many things, right, in trading. There will be fundamental view, there will be technical view, there will be open interest kind of view. Based on the various things, you can take a trade. So I was little bit fascinated, all these things finally ends up in the price, right? However the price moves, that's where the market moves, and that's where is the trading bias. So all these fundamentals or open interest, all these things will result in the chart or the price movement, which will be created lines or indicators. So that's how I started thinking to do something with respect to indicators. Definitely, like there are so many like drawbacks with that also, but I try to like refine as much as possible with respect to it. Almost like I spent this I started almost a year ago. So from 7 months I have been like working on this and refining. Even refining this also I have like lost so much of money. But recently, for almost like 3 to 4 months, this has come to some state that this definitely has helped me to stop losing money. First thing, it has definitely has helped me to stop losing money. And slowly I started small profits. And at this phase, I would say it's in a better state to like make good money if you follow with discipline, right? So that's what is like introduction I can give. I think if you guys have any queries, we can discuss offline about the introduction, right? So let me go to my major part. So what is trading edge? If whatever you see on the left side, right, these are like individually which can be like developed, right? So trading discipline or money management or positive thinking about the trading, right? These are all like based on the individual perspective. And there are something which you can, these are something which you have to like work out, and individually you have to develop this, right? So we have to have some edge. What is edge? Something which is like differentiating you in the sense, if at all you want to be a profitable trader, something that is differentiating a profitable trader to a losing trader, right? What he should have, he should have some system which gives like a kind of high probability trades, and the trades what it gives should be a good risk to reward and high win rate, right? So I have worked on these parameters. So probability of the trade, and once you get onto the trade, what is the risk to reward, right? If you have kind of like one-to-one risk to reward, or these kind of risk to reward are like non-favorable risk to reward, right? So we should have like once, whenever you get a opportunity, whenever you get onto a trade, we should get onto like very good risk to reward and high win rate also, right? So across the time, right? If you start today and by the end of the year, if you see all your trade logs and all your trade entries over the period of the time, you should be profitable, right? So that's what is the idea. And I have keenly taken care of like working on this, and I'm confident I have come up with a system which definitely will help in this respect. So that's how I want to put it forward. So definitely we need to have discipline. If you don't have a discipline in trading, then it's absolutely like not a game to be played for indisciplined guys, as well as the money management, positive thinking. I think you can find a lot of content or the material with respect to this, but to have this one, I think is difficult, which I'm telling like confidently, like I have worked it well, right? So do you need a trading edge? Definitely we need. Do you have it? I don't know. Like many of you guys already might have it. You might not have it. But for a successful like trader, this is a must to have it, right? So let me go to make these things happen. That's what I have created indicators, right? So I have come up with like 3 indicators which definitely will help us to take a trade, right? There are 3 indicators. First and foremost indicator for me is a trend reader. This is the priority indicator for me. The beauty of this indicator is if you religiously follow this in any kind of market, be it like very flattish market, be it a very trending market, it, let's say in the worst case, if it does not give the profit, I'm 100% or 1000% sure it won't let you down losing your money. It won't give you a direction to go in the opposite direction. Have you observed this? Many a times, Bank Nifty opens 100 points negative. Then down the like, over the time, right? From 9:30, 10:30, like as the day passes, finally it ends up closing at somewhere around 300 or 400 or 500 points. As a intraday trader, we will not even like get to know it has like a rallied 500 points. If you see your MTM, still it will be like a small profit, or maybe many times it happens you will be at a big loss also. When I was thinking, boss, there was a 500-point rally, even I was unable to make any money. So this one indicator, I am 100% sure, should help you a lot to help in that angle. This will perfectly tell you what is the current bias, what you should not do, what you should do. That is the best indicator in my system. That's what I would tell, right? So just to explain, okay. Sorry, Shravan, recording was stopped. I thought there was a power cut. I restarting again. Okay. So yeah, you can try it for a week. If you're a scalper, just put only this indicator and try it for a week. By the end of the week, you let me know like what has happened to your trades and whether you're in profit or whether you're in getting into losses, right? That's what is the like best part of trend reader. Second indicator. So to have an optimal trade, right, you should have a bias. That is whether it's a positive, bullish or bearish bias, which we'll get it from trend reader. Trend speed, right? Trend speed or trend momentum. So if it is how is the rally, whether it's going slowly, whether it is moving fast, whether it's with a very high speed, right? That one, I think this guy can like explain very well. So yeah, momentum of the market, it will get you know about it. And if it's a plane, I think you can think it as a like just momentum started. If it's a green and a plain green, it is, you can think it's just a bullish biased and just a momentum has started. And if you start seeing like single dot, okay, you can think like it has started and it'll take up. If you see a double dot, I think you can consider it will be a very good rally. You will get it. Okay, this is the kind of like a momentum indicator for your trade. So let's say you get the confirmation from both of these. We have a big picture. Big picture, like what is the overall position of the market? Where is the market is directing? Whether it's on a bullish trend or in a bearish trend, how is the world markets are reacting? Where is the Dow? Where is Hang Seng? Where is our indicator like India VIX is happening? And how about the like future volumes for all these our if at all based on your script selection, right? If you select the Bank Nifty, I have taken care of like Bank Nifty constituents volume, how it is behaving over the period, VWAPs and all. Like that, you'll get to know like big picture of the market for the. So these are the three indicators which I have come up with, spending almost like 7 to 8 months, and have been like refining. Almost it's complete, but there are some finer fine tunes which I have to do, which I am already doing. So by August 15th, I think it can be like complete full-fledged product which you can use it. You now also like you can currently you can use it, but August 15th I have added a few more enhancements which definitely will help you to take a confident trade, right? So those are with respect to like indicators whatever we have. So there are some days like yesterday and day before. So did you guys observe whenever I started chart flow in the morning, by 9:45 I mentioned you guys for the day's range, right? How did that happen? I think I'll take you through that thing, like how I mentioned you that thing. Yeah, like execution wise, these things we'll have to configure. So this is the overall picture of the indicators, which I have developed over the 7 or 8 months. So if you're in group, I think you have been seeing this in and day in, day out. So whenever you put all these three indicators together, this is how it will look. So while I developed the indicators, I had considered so many parameters. Finally, I got to know just color combination should be good enough for the end user. If you put a lot of uh, variables here on the details, right, he will get confused. If for an end user, it should be like so simple, so easy to execute. If you see on a overall original big picture, you have like a lot of things, probably with respect to scalping setup, indicators are there, VWAP is there, Bollinger Band, everything is there. I would tell you guys to remove all those things. Just keep only background color for all these three indicators. That is good enough for you guys to take a confident trade and go ahead. So whenever you put all these three indicators with a chart, this is how our chart pattern will be looking. Okay, so coming to entry and SL and profits. When do you enter a trade with respect to the system? Let me just go back on this chart. Whenever you see the confluence color in the sense, first priority you have to see the trend reader. Trend reader should show you one color. That's your bias has to be there. If it is showing red, your bias has to be on the bearish side, or the if you're a options trader on buying a put. If you're a seller on selling the call, right? So whenever you see this color on the first indicator, wait for the confirmation from the second indicator. Second priority indicator is the big picture for me. Wait for the color indication from this guy. And if if you're if you're not a scalper, please wait until this guy also gives you confirmation from the like momentum indicator. If you're a scalper, you should have started scalping from this candle only. But if you're a systematic trader and kind of like intraday trader, right? You can wait for your confirmation. Probably from here, you could have like shorted. So for a bearish trade, all has to be in red color. For a bullish trade, all have to be in green color, right? So yeah, going to the next slide, right? How do you select these strike prices? I think you guys mostly know about this ITM and the ATM on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday and Thursdays. OTM on Fridays, where mostly like theta decay will be like less. I think still you can play on immediate OTM or even like next OTM also on Fridays. But on IT on other days of the week, starting of the week, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can check on the ITM or ATM strike prices. So entry, as I mentioned, all three indicators on the same color confluence should not be a range bound day, right? If it's a range bound day, range bound, just use trend reader only indicator, as I mentioned earlier, for entries and exit. But you should be, as a scalper, you should not wait for like too many points of stop loss as well as the target, right? Whenever you start seeing target, better to put it on the cost to cost. Once it start like moving in your direction, better to like trail it and get the profits out. Otherwise, a sudden one red candle or one green candle will take all your profits out on a range bound days. So what should be our SL? Initial SL, I would put almost like 100 points of Bank Nifty futures. That almost averages out to like 30 to 50 points on the option side, right? And if you are like very stringent on your SL, you can put trend reader changing color to counter color. If it's a green, you enter. Next moment, a candle forms and the trend reader shows red. Probably you can exit if you are like very stringent on your stop loss. Basically, trend reader is telling immediately there is a little bit bias changed from bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish whenever it changes the color. This is one of the method to take a stop loss and exit and just wait for the other trend reader changing the color. Stop loss, basically 3 points are there. One, if you're a patient trader and all, you can wait for 100 points of Bank Nifty. If you're that reduces to like 30, 50 points of options. If you're impatient trader, you can go with trend reader. Obviously, just after changing counter color, you can take a exit and just wait for the other opportunity. This is the SL. Profit booking, most of the time what happens, whenever you enter with this system, definitely you will get into a profit for the first or 2 second candles. Once you start seeing a profit, try to like put your SL from 30 to 50 points from option close to just start like trailing, like you can reduce it to like 20 points, then cost to cost. Once you start in trade in your favor, you can trail it, and you can trailing will be like very good option here. And I'll tell you, whenever you have a trading for any day, right, there can be like a three combination. One is it can be range bound, other one is it can be small trending day, other one it can be a big trending day. Big trending day, you forget about it 1000%. You can completely 100% you can ride entire rally. That is 100% confident. With the system, on a big trending day, you can entirely ride the rally. There is no doubt about it. Second is small trending day also is very helpful, and it will trend reader will give you like where to exit and where to re-enter and all. Third one is the range bound day. That's where our we have to be like very careful. Still we have trend reader as our mate to like help out, but there might be a lot of chance to like get SL hitting and all. So for that, you have to be, as I mentioned, you have to be like a scalper for on a range bound day, and you have to be like very quick entering, exiting, entering, exiting. There might be a lot of trades which you might trade on range bound days, like yesterday and day before yesterday. But end of the day, if you see, you would have made same or almost like almost same amount of points on Bank Nifty futures what it is on a normal or a normal trending day kind of thing, right? So that's how like I would go for the profit booking. When not to trade, hopefully you are able to see here. Don't consider these indicators for a gap up or gap down trades. So morning trade, if it is a flat market, flat opening, kind of like 10, 50, 15 points or 20, 30 points kind of like gap up, that still be okay. You can still trade with this system. If it's a large gap up of almost like 100, 200 points for gap Bank Nifty and all, better to wait till 9:30. Let us get all these basket orders cleared. Let market a little bit stabilized. Even 9:30 to 9:45, you guys can wait. So before that, I would request please not take any trade, because as it is purely based on the technical perspective indicator, you will suddenly see a chaotic signal. Suddenly you see a buy signal, suddenly you see a sell signal. And if you start like fighting with those big guys on a basket order, definitely you will lose big, right? So I would request not to use these indicators on a huge gap up days, right? And other thing is like days like RBI policies, news, election results, days, all these things, right? Better to avoid. And if at all you are playing, play like very small on those days, right? Again, because it will be like very volatile and very chaotic moment will be there. Suddenly you see some 200 points green candle, and the next candle you might see 100 150 points red candle, right? So I would request you guys to like not to use, and if at all you're using, please go with like minimal position size on those days, right? This is the complete like entry, SL and profit idea whatever I have, and that's what I'm also following. uh, just a second guys, I'll have some water. Okay. So these things I have already shared. Probably somebody who has already not seen it, you guys can just have a look at these trades with a system, whatever it had given historically, right? So if you see here, this is a long trade opportunity with which emerged on some day. I think it's on a Bank Nifty future. If you see on this day, like at somewhere around 12:40, not 12:40, 12:20 somewhere, all these three things came in line. So one more thing I just want to update. Priority indicator trend reader, right? It is the first guy who tell you about the bias, right? Many a times you can just go and observe back your charts. First guy to tell you about the bias is trend reader. So next guy will be mostly on the like big picture guy, and third guy he will tell you about the momentum. So whenever you start seeing the color change from kind of like continuous red to green, you have to be alert. If you already like got confirmation from these two guys, you can get onto like long trade without any second thought. But if these guys are still on a counter color or neutral, please wait until these guys give you a confirmation, right? So if you see here, right, once you get the confirmation from all these three indicators and you get onto this trade, until and unless trend reader shows other color, you should not think about exiting this trade, right? See, if you see here, this is the first time this guy has shown a red here. Did we exit? If you're like a very happy customer, happy trader, and if you're very sufficient with probably it might be somewhere around 100 or 150 points, you can exit first thing. There are a lot of again, right? If you exit here immediately, if you see it's again entry signal, you can still again enter. That is the funda. If you're like kind of like a relaxed trader, you can put your SL to cost and you can just wait for the action to happen. Until unless you once it starts rallying, right, you can start like trailing probably by 20 points, 30 points based on your profit appetite. You can ride the entire rally, especially on these kind of days. Big picture, if you see big picture, it's completely like a green. Whatever you see, these dips are for buying, especially like big players. Whenever they see this dip on this kind of day, they go for buying. Again, like you guys can also like re-enter. If you see our system also, like here, this is where you can enter. So there will be like a lot of re-entries. So you can pyramid, you buy something here, again you can buy something here, like that also you can pyramid. This is how you can ride the rally. This is on the long side. Again, if you see on the short side also, something like this. This is on a Bank Nifty. I think same thing on the Nifty trades as well, like 164 points. This was a short entry with a confirmation from all these three indicators. Somebody might have shorted here. Definitely can completely ride this rally. So if you see this big picture, it's completely red, bleeding. You just have to have a patience to like ride the rally. Again, here it's on a long opportunity for the Nifty, 130 points, right? Entire rally you can ride. So recently, right, I have been posting with respect to commodity. I am really like astonished, or I don't know what to say, like the trades it has been giving on this silver, right? Only thing you should have patience and just like respect the system and keep waiting with trailing your stop loss. If you see this silver, this is not the first time I have been like posting 700 points, 800 points, 1000 points, 1300. This trade, I think recently only 1300, somewhere around the 10. This is where I think we got the entry here. After that, if you put cost to cost and if you sleep also, like it's fine. By the end of the day, almost it rallied like 1800 points. How can you like control in the sense, how can you like wait? If you see big picture, it's completely on the bullish side. Just you have to wait. And you can say like there is a trend reader which is showing red. Fine, that's fine, absolutely fine. You can exit whenever, if you're stringent on your stop loss, don't hesitate, just exit whenever you see this. Again, there will be long opportunities. Again, there will be long opportunities. Whenever you see long opportunities, you can trail it, you can pyramid, you can rally big time. Right? So this is working very good on commodities as well. I have been testing this with 3 minutes and 5 minutes, especially 3 minutes. It has been like giving wonderful result. I'm not a positional trader, but I have seen for just testing purpose, I have put it in 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours and all. There also it has been giving a decent signal for the positional trades as well, right? So even stock futures also, you can just check it. I think this is, I believe this is SBI futures. SBI futures. See the entry here. I think first entry came somewhere here. At somewhere around 10:45 somewhere. Sorry, it came here. It might have like taken some cost to cost SL. Again, there is an entry at somewhere around 10:45. If you enter here, close to like if you rate this rally, absolutely like 17 points. 17 points on SBI futures. Just think like it's huge, right? So something similar. I think this is it Reliance? Probably yes. It's a Reliance future. So absolutely like 33 points. Whenever you see big picture completely on bleeding color, as well as double dot confirmation on the momentum, and continuous red color on the trend reader, close your eyes, go for short, enjoy the rate. That is the mantra. Having said this, right, there are range bound days, and this is where we have to be like very careful. So if you see last 2 days, by 9:30 or by 9:45, I had posted in the group, guys, this is a range bound day. And if you see, I'm not like just praising. If you see 9:30, we have made the range for the day. On expiry day, I think I mentioned 200 points is the range. Absolutely not even like, I think once or twice it went like 30, 40 points otherwise, but almost it traded within the range. I think this is yesterday's. Yeah, this is yesterday. Even yesterday also, somewhere here only, somewhere here, after seeing this green candle, see, if it is a trend day, we should not at all have this green big candle after like falling this vigorously from sudden 200 fall within like 2-3 candles, sudden 200 points. Why somebody want to have this sudden another 100-150 points of big green candle, right? These are the kind of like insight we should have. I'm not telling this is 100% foolproof, but we should like start thinking that I'm able to get into this mode after like spending almost like 6 to 7 months. So after seeing this thing, okay, boss, this guy mostly will not be a kind of, he will not start trending down. Whenever I put somewhere around 9:30, not even 9:30, 9:25, I put this range, and I did mention you guys, looks like a range bound day getting developed. Let us start monitoring this. Let me put this 150. If you see exactly right, did you notice this one? Exactly, this went here and suddenly there was a fall. So on a range bound day, I told you guys there's a two option, right? You just have to wait to break this range with like good thrust through the volume. I usually don't consider volume for other days. Trending days, even like minor volume, I'm okay. I just need to ride the rally. But on a range bound day, I do consider volume. Volume where somewhere here on the extremes. Either here it should go with like huge volume to like break the shackle, or it should break this upper line with a huge volume to get away, right? So that's how. And the range bound day, be a scalper, definitely you can make good money. Only put only this trend reader indicator, nothing else is required for a range bound day. So we accomplish good trades on a good trending day, 100%, 1000%. We accomplish good trades on a normal trending day, definitely. On a range bound day, we have a little bit of challenge to figure out early in the day. The day is range bound and we should act accordingly. You should get into a scalping mode kind of thing and you should scalp. If at all you're not comfortable with scalping, I would request don't do anything. Just yesterday, I think I took only one trade somewhere here, and it did hit my like stop loss, cost to cost stop loss, and it did not trade. This, if at all I was going with the this trend reader, definitely I would have a lot of trades. So let me just explain. If somebody just relied on trend reader on range bound day, so these are the like entries. Whenever you see red, just go and short it, and just target like only minimal points. Don't go for like a huge profit targets and all. Even same thing for SL. Don't go for 100 bank nifty points. If that is the case, there will be some 8 to 10 stop loss hit, which will take you like almost 700 bank nifty futures point. That I definitely don't want to do. If you're a system trader, better to avoid the trades on range bound. If you're a scalper, you still can do. If you see, right, there will be a lot of trade opportunities. Red, short it. Whenever you say red, short is small, like 30, 40, 50 points. And if you're like lucky, you might get 100 points like that. See this one. Okay, if you see this one, so absolutely entry from trend reader, absolutely you got almost 131 here, right? The beauty is when you have a range bound defined and you got a signal here, almost 90% you will get into this target. There is no 90% as I have seen, we'll get into this. And again, if it starts like falling, again it will come back to this one below range line. So if you see here, you could have around say based on this one, right? Trend reader, you could have shorted with a stop loss of probably some 30 or 50 points. If you see like almost like 160, forget 160, at least you would have got 100 points of Bank Nifty futures. So this is how I would like you guys to like use it on a range bound. So this is all about my system. I think you guys can ping some instruments which we can take it and we can just see how it has behaved, and we can just I can just show you like where are the entry points if you have. Otherwise, I'll just start with some basic charts. Let me share. Okay. Any suggestions? Do you guys want to check any instrument? You guys can ping in the chat box.
I enable the chat, guys. You can ask the questions.
HDFC Bank. Okay. Let's go with HDFC Bank. Somebody is asking. HDFC Bank, many people love this. Okay. So upfront, right? This is only trend reader and big picture. Let me add secrets or momentum indicator as well. So the default one, whatever I have given, it has like all these things. You can just remove them. Just only have this thing, background color. That is just for your reference. Previous days, all these things are there. I don't know if it is helpful for you. You can put it. Otherwise, you can feel free to like remove all those things. See, this is kind of like a scalping setup what we have otherwise. If it is helping someone, keep it. Otherwise, I would prefer, if you are following my system, just disable everything. Should be good enough. Somebody was telling what is this yellow color candles. This is actually dozy and indecisive candle. Bar color background, let it be. You can have only this thing. This is good enough. Even on the momentum reader, you can remove this as stochastic. Otherwise, it should be there. Level lines, horizontal level lines also you can remove. See, keep it simple, guys. Like, don't make it complicated. Let us keep it like very simple. So let's go probably yesterday only. Yesterday, kind of it was completely sideways. I was thinking HDFC should have also been a sideways guy, but let's see. So until if you see opening, right? Opening, so there was some 948, there was some long, right? If you see system wise, this guy told green here only. Until like 930, 939, 940, there is no confirmation from the trend, I mean, momentum reader. I won't consider this trade. So you become cautious when you see a color change on the trend reader. This is where we are seeing 945 is the place where we are seeing. But if you see on a momentum or a speeder or a big picture, it is still showing red. Please wait. Let us wait for it. See this candle somewhere here. You have got a complete entry signal, right? This is immediate next candle opening. Close your eyes. Go long. That is the system. So if you see, it has given 2 points of profit, and later suddenly there is a red color change on the trend reader, right? So bias is kind of like a exit. If you start like seeing your MTM as like negative and all, you can still exit here, right? If you're stringent on your stop loss, I would say please don't hesitate to take SLs and exit. No point. No, don't worry about it. You will get a lot of opportunities on every day. Don't worry about it. So if somebody has held it, I think you would have got 2 points. If you want to exit, you would have exited within like 1 point of stop loss. So then it turned red here. So if you're a scalper, only considering this one if you want to trade. Just a second, let me remove this. Okay, so if you're a scalper, this is the entry point for you to go short. This is a point, and probably you would get some 6 points if you like continue. This is a point you are getting the entry. If you're a system trader, your entry point would be somewhere here when you see all the guys are in the same color, right? You would get 5 points if you're a system player. If you're a scalper, this is where you almost get your confirmation. So you would get like somewhere around 6 points. So later, when to book, whenever you see the color change or whenever you are comfortable with the profits. So if you are with a system, probably you would exit here, right? Somewhere here you would have exited some 4 points of profit you would have got. Then there are no trades. So again, there is a red, double dot red and background red here. You could have gone for a small trade here again. See the small trade, next candle, short it. Again, 2 points. Again, you could have exited here as you get the green color. So if you see here is the another entry point, right? So all three are in line. This is an entry point. Just after closing of this candle is an entry point. I think it took your SL of so how many 1.75 points. This is where you could have exited, or if you want to be a little bit like towards the positive side, you can just wait. Basically, based on these individual stocks, I'm not very sure about your stop loss. Probably you can try out average traded range, all these things, right? For Bank Nifty, it's kind of like 100 points for me. And Nifty, I will go for like 50 to 60 points of stop loss. But for futures, please, you guys only decide what should be your stop loss and all, right? So again, right, probably somewhere here also you got an entry, but again, this might have been a stop loss of 3 rupees. That's all fine. So somewhere here you got an entry. So if you see, if you're a stringent trader, immediate like red thing here, you could have exited, or if it is not hitting your stop loss, probably I don't know how many stop loss you can keep it for HDFC. You just need to wait. See, if at all you could have see here, right? This is the low of this candle. That is 2.65 points for HDFC. 2.65 points. I don't know if it is less or more. Based on your thought process, you can keep it. Let's say this also took your stop loss. This is where you should have exited. That is almost 1 point of stop loss, right? Again, here is the entry. With respect to system, here is the entry, 1, 2, 3, all these three are in line, and 1.7 points you got. In case, worst case, if you think this is a stop loss hit, it should be hitting your cost to cost stop loss only at this point. And this is where you got an entry on the long side again. So this is absolutely, when you get these things right, this is the beauty of my system. When you get little bit trending and this thing, you have perfect confirmation and the confidence to hold. Many times it will be like trending, but you don't know where to book, where to exit, all these things. This guy will clearly tell until, if you remember the other day, I think it started coming down. I did mention in the channel, guys, don't even like think about booking the profit. Let this guy turn red. Turn green. I think it was rally coming down. I told, don't even think about booking. Let this guy turn green. With that rally, I think on a Bank Nifty futures we got almost 380 points of profit on the single trade. So like that. So I know like this might be little bit. Somebody might be a little bit hesitating to take a trade basically on the initial stage, where you might think, okay, this stop loss hitting. See, if you cumulate, let's say all these things, if you like consolidate all these things, probably somewhere around 5 or 6 points of stop loss. Just one good trade is enough for the day, right? 100% you get into it, unless it's a completely a day like this, some flat day, there is no movement at all, it's only here, right? 99% it won't happen. At least you will get 1 or 2 most, something like this. So where you would have exited somewhere here, forget about 11 points, at least you should be pocketing 9 points without fail with my system. That is the high guarantee. So again, you start seeing red here, you get ample opportunities, guys. If you see, if you are with this trend reader, this is a perfect shorting point, almost like 7 points. Where you exit, see, this guy is not even telling to exit, should be exiting somewhere here. Somewhere here means it just will go here. Yeah, that's fine. At least 4 points you got. Whenever you see like decent profits on your side, I think you can go and you will get like ample opportunity to like get onto trades again and again. There is no doubt about it. Okay. So is there any other script? I think any other script? Silver, gold. We want to have silver. Okay. Silver, yeah. See here, the beauty is this one. So this is the beauty of trend reader. Like even before the world tells you to go for something, this guy would have already mentioned you. This is where exactly this guy told boss, go for short. If you're riding, you can get almost 500 points. If you're booking re-entry also, you would get into a decent profit. There is no doubt about it. 293 profits. So I think one fine day, I think we rided almost like 700 points on a single trade. And if you're like, if you're already into like commodity trading and all, I think without any hesitation, you can rely on the trend reader and this system, you just keep on riding. Commodities like silver and all will give like very good moves, almost like 1,000, 2,000 points also we have seen. Sometimes it has been like giving. So this was one good entry. Again, I think here is the another entry like red. You could have gone for a short and another 200 points. Like that, again, there is a long entry also. See, this is where this guy has told you here only. See, this guy is falling, but you get a entry here. You might be hesitating whether this guy will go or not. Absolutely, from the next candle, it has rallied almost like 300 points. Yeah, silver. Let me go like crude also. Crude, this works for everything, man. I have been seeing fantastic results. Crude, if you see, absolutely entry on this candle, almost 35 points. There is no look back. Again, if you see here, this is where you might have got a long entry. So when you see like range, it is kind of like forming range. So okay, another thing I just want to mention. See, can you see this clumsiness? Red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. Again here, that if you see on the indicator, below indicator, right? This is black is like neutral, there is no indication. And if you see black, red, green, everything, I mean, if you're seeing, kind of like it's a range bound, you can think, and you can just wait for the continuous like development of these colors. See, big picture, there is no, it should be like very neat and clean. One single color, one single color, one single color, one single color. That would be a fantastic trade to write for you guys. That was on crude. I think copper also can check. Yeah. Just a second. Okay. Good entry on copper as well. See, the confirmation from our system is somewhere here, but our trend reader is telling almost from here only to be biased on the bearish side. If you are relying upon this one and trading is also fine. If you are a system trader only, like after confirmation from all these three indicators only, I will take the trade. That is also good enough. Only thing is you should trust the system and take the trade without hesitation. I think that's where lies your trading success with respect to system. If you see that slide, right, on individual capability side, there was one point called positive thinking. If you trust a system, go along with this. Let it take stop loss, guys. Like, there is no holy grail in this world. You enter, you get like 100% profit. Nothing. Nobody can, like, whatever is the master, you will have this issue. There are losses, but you just need to make sure the losses are in your control. With a system like this, right, you will be having like many times what happens, where to exit also. You get into a, let's say you get into a long trade. Okay, this is a good example, I would say. As per the system also, this is turning green here, and long here. And immediately after entering, you start seeing some 2 points or 3 points of long. If you're a stringent trader, you should be putting a cost to cost once you start seeing your profits. Especially like this is a crude, I think 2 points is 2 points. You can start like trailing 2 points. If at all you are not doing, at least you put once you start seeing your profits, right, at least put your cost to cost SL. With that, at least you'll not get into losses. This guy is telling exit here only. If you see, our trend reader is telling exit here, right? So this is exactly the cost to cost exit only. What else you want? You can never have a loss in this case, right? If you follow this guy, just exit whatever this guy is telling. Absolutely, you will be with minimal loss. That's what I would say. with respect to it. I have been, I think, yeah, SBI futures, we'll just check. Yeah, I think this one I put it in that example. See, like these are all the entry points: green, double dot confirmation, green, and a green. Absolutely entry. Here it's all three red bloodbath, right? This is a short. Again, this is a short. Red, 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 short. So I think you guys have the indicators already. Just to go through it and check, like there are a lot of opportunities you see, and it's not like only one day it happened and the other day, not like that. It is happening day in, day out, every day. If you guys are interested in the commodity, I can post you thousands of like examples with respect to that. It's working beautifully on commodity, bank Nifty, even individual stock futures as well. So that was live or historical trades on the charts. So let me just quickly go through the rest of my presentation. So real chart. So how do you want to like have it? Many of you guys already are using it, and I did hear like many guys like posted very good profits as well. So I did not post it yet. You guys can have these indicators, something like this. Give your ID. I will add them through invite. So try to book it, put it in a dark theme, because all kind of like colors are a little bit contrast. It will be looking better and visibility will be good. And add these three indicators to your chart. Okay. Two things, right? I told you three options for any day. One is trend day, 100% will win. Medium trend day, 100% will win. Range day, also I have told how to trade it. But for you guys to make it like even simple, I have been working on that to figure out range bound market as soon as possible and put it in the like chart, right? Right now I have not updated it. I am almost like kind of like completing on that as well. So range bound day, like we need to make sure funda is, if you get to know range bound day somewhere as early as possible, you're done for the day. Either you may not trade that day at all as a system trader, or you can get into a scalping mode of trading, right? That is the thing which I'm working. And if you observed in my channel, right, I don't know how many witnessed this. So on some day I mentioned careful on longs on 34,600 is a resistance. Did you see like 34 for the high made? I think this is where it was. Yeah. So somewhere here only I mentioned 34,600 is the high. Be cautious. If you see exactly 3 points of difference only, this guy turned and absolutely like almost 250 points of a reverse rally. If somebody is trading on based on the trend reader, he would absolutely could have taken a reverse trade on exactly this point, and he would have completely read the rally of 250 points. And this one, I'm posting this in a new channel recently, but there was my like very close friends of 3 or 4 or 5 people. You can hear from them as well. This has been like, this is a regular like message in our groups, right? You put some number on the resistance and support. Absolutely, even many times myself, I'm getting like amused how that is respecting that closely. So this is something on the support side. I think if you see 34,705 and the low was 34,708, 3 points on a beast like Bank Nifty. Can you just imagine? So these are the next level of things I am still working. These are all like enhancements. With the current system only, you can like get into trades, and 100% if you follow, you can be having better edge on the trading. These are the next enhancements which I'm trying to script out. Probably few of these should be in by like August first week or second week. So getting to know about the range boundness of the day, as well as the levels, probable levels of reversals. So these were the things. Yeah, so I'll stop it here. I think we can quickly go on the question and answer section for some time. I'll give some other update later. So Shravan, I think you can unmute people who just want to discuss.
Yeah, Tejasvi, I want to ask you one question before we proceed.
May I know
Did you
who is this?
backtest all your indicators with the previous data in any of the platforms?
Sorry, is it Shravan?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So Shravan, your question is, did you back test this with respect to any of the system? Huh?
Yeah,
That's what is question.
yeah.
Okay, so I did not had a like systematic back testing. Back testing in the sense I took it from 2019 till now, how many trades it got into, what is the profit, all these things. But thoroughly, like I have gone through each futures charts, even like other, I mean, Dow features as well as other features also. Historically, I have been like checking it. I don't have the tabulated report for that, but I'm not like very good at it. I'm very open to somebody. If somebody has a kind of like system like that who can back test and give us the report, I'm very open to that. They can do that. Kalim, yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, hi Tejasvi. Yeah,
Hi,
great job, Tejasvi. Like in fact, I'm a student of Siva sir actually. So
Yeah,
for the past
me
5
too,
minutes,
man. I'm also Siva student, and in fact, along with me, there are two people who actually first met Siva in Bangalore, and that was the first meeting ever Siva conducted. Right, that was in Bangalore. I don't know how many of you guys are here. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah. So my question is in the trend. This trend reader. There are few shapes, like I can see some
Right. Okay.
green color heart, yeah, diamond shape, and M and W pattern is also showing up.
Exactly. Yeah.
11.
Yeah. So I think I kind of like address those things. See, if you see big picture, right, I have complete detailed, parameters like VWAP, Bollinger Band, SAR, Super Trend, everything. That is up to you whether you want to use it or not. Same thing on momentum reader. There is a stochastic and level based horizontal lines. That up to you. You can use it or not. And again on the like trend reader also, I have these patterns. This in fact to be open, like I think somebody had told about it. I don't remember, but I try to like implement along with this. But what I saw is that did not help me much. I tell you guys to like almost neglect it, or you can disable those things. Not on it won't give you any ads. I think you can just neglect. For the coming update, right? I want to kind of like remove everything. I just want to have only those two colors. That's it. Those are the indicators, final indicators. Okay.
Hi Tejasvi. This
Hey,
is Shan here.
Hi.
Thank you for the session, and it's really helpful. I love the indicator. My question here is, see, is the indicator painted? Means, when a candle is forming and you get a green signal on the trend reader, will it change as the candle go into red, or it remains constant? Or when should we take a trade? Should we wait for the candle to close to enter?
Exactly. Very good question, Ishan. Thank you for that. So I think many people might have this question, right? This won't repaint. Once it is painted, that's done for the day, right? And done for like history. So entry should be on the like candle close. Only after candle close, you see all these three vertical colors, like on the overall picture, as well as the trend reader, as well as the momentum reader. If you see all these color confluence in the same thing, then only you can go for the trade. Otherwise, if you're a scalper, just you can believe on the trend reader. If you're a system trader, kind of like day trader, you want to rally a big, then you can wait for the other two guys to like confirm on the same color.
Thank you, Tejasvi. One more question is, does it work for cash market?
Everything you
Okay.
can just check it. It
Okay,
works
thank you.
for, I have checked it for everything, guys. Dow futures I have checked and Nikkei futures I have checked. I have checked for all these, most of the crude instruments.
So volume is an important constituent, right?
Okay, volume, right? Volume I have already considered when I paint for the big picture, right?
Okay.
Especially like volume of constituents, Bank Nifty constituents as well as the Nifty constituents, I have taken care when you select the script, right?
Okay.
But otherwise, don't have to worry, except one scenario where range bound day starts developing. I want to trade only on the extremes of the like band. If I want to trade with respect to system on range bound day, it has to be like going out of the range with a very good volume. That is the only parameter I'm considering to take a trade on a range bound day. It should be, crashing down with a very high volume or going rallying big with very high volume and that confluence or crossing time, right? Hope you got it, or let me.
Thank you. It is very clear, Tejasvi, and
Yeah.
I cannot wait to test it. We'll wait for your response on adding the indicator.
Sure,
Thank you
sure.
very much.
I think already, as I mentioned, there are 120 people who are already using, and I have been hearing a very good feedback from them. So by August 15th, it will be a little bit more refined, and definitely it will be a finer product, whatever you can experience.
Yeah, hi, Tejasvi. This is Chinmay, game changer, showing game changer. Yeah, as you said, there is two dot, which one of the criteria for confirmation. Two dot, it is two continuous or the two top and bottom.
Okay, who is this?
Chinmay.
Hey,
Yeah.
Chinmay. Okay. So, okay, let me take this example. Somebody asked for a Bitcoin. I'll answer both of your questions together, right? So if you see, right, if you see here, this chart, this is a trend reader is green, and here it's a plain green. What does it tell me is that this is kind of, even though there were like momentum with a high, double dot confirmation on the downside, this guy has changed green here. That imperates the trend is kind of little bit changed, the bias towards the bullishness side, right? As you go on, keep seeing this one, right? Slowly you start seeing one green candle forming here. That means the momentum has kicked in here. Again, slowly it is getting increased, right? So if you just observe, just take this beautiful example to explain that, right? So this is where it has shown you on the bullish side. It started here, started with one extra dot. Again, if you see, there was sudden 3 dot. So you just keep monitoring this. Somewhere here, if you see, it completely turned from plain green to double dot confirmation green, right? So as per me, this would be the world's best trade entry for this instrument here. This would be the best instrument, and after whatever you see is a history. So Bitcoin kind of thing, yeah.
Sorry to interrupt. This is
Yeah.
Nagaraj here.
Yeah.
See, I was just seeing that chart which you are showing. Is that double dot of green is a mandate for us to go for long, or without that also we can take a call? Because
Without this is actually entry. The for the system, this is a entry actually, right? So if you see, right, there are a lot of these area you can see this area. Just concentrate on this area, whatever I have just marked here, this box. If you see here, right, there are a lot of like counter color, black, all those things. These are kind of what I would say range bound. Especially this is a range bound market. How do you find out a range bound market? Something like this. You see a lot of like counter colors, red, green, black, so many things. How to like start thinking on the trending or trending rally? You should start seeing continuous same color. For the indicator. right? On the big picture, you should start seeing a clean single color as well as the clean single color for these indicators as well. So
Okay.
with respect to that, this is the entry, and can you see like until unless this big picture or this once you start this momentum, right, double dot confirmation, and that too like with there is no red at all, you just can just rally. You enter here, just keep on trailing. There is nobody in the world who can stop you to get a complete this rally.
Yeah, sorry, Chinmay here again. I have one final query. What is your long-term view? Means the down the line, because in this today's market, nothing is free. So
Right.
we are yeah. So you are providing the such a service with great all the things seems to be very nice. So can you just elaborate on that part?
Okay. Yeah. So guys, like I'm a like normal retail guys like you, and I have spent a lot of time refining it, and I have burnt my own money to refine it like hell. As I told you, I'm started developing this from almost 8 months. Initial phase when I tried like many combination. If you see this red color, it is not. You guys might think it is so simple, but behind it there is so much of code combination. If I show you, like it will be like very big, right? So to answer your question, down the line I want to make it a finer product, which definitely should help our retailer traders to like take confidently the trades, right? That is the first this thing. And till August 15th, I want to give this completely like free. You guys can experiment, give feedback, everything. That's 100% free. From August 15th, I'm not charging it again. Until August 15th to September 1st, I don't want to charge you, but I want to get this circulated and get to know to the retailer family, right? Just to mention, as you brought this point up, already like 3 people, right? 2 big retailers. I don't want to mention the names currently. I would reveal once it get formalized. 2 big retailers of the Indian FNO market, and one application based company have already like spoken to me, and I'm in talk with them, but I don't want to like reveal anything for now. Yeah, probably from September 1st, I would want to have some little bit of fees for this, and kind of like monthly based subscription. I'm just thinking on this. If I get like very good volume of people, then obviously like fees I can very minimally I can plan it, and definitely it should help all you guys. Did it answer your question?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So do you think is that good, or what is your thought?
Yes, yes. That is the thing. It's a two-way process. It should not be a one-way process. Okay. Only
Absolutely.
yeah. So
Absolutely.
yeah, there is nothing wrong in that.
Yeah.
But the thing is that only yeah, I wanted that. Till what time?
Sure. Absolutely. Till September 1st, it will be free. From August 15th, I just want to you people, whoever is using, just to spread the news, probably through like Twitter or retweets or maximum shares, something like that, for 15 days. From September 1st, I want to like kind of like move towards the kind of subscription. And I don't know, like whatever I just spoke to people as well as one application guys who are working, speaking to me, whether it is formalizes or not. But my thought is still to have this to me only, and I see still a lot of opportunity to improve on this. I'm very much confident. Definitely, I can take it to the next level.
Yes, thank you.
Could you please share your Telegram ID?
Yeah. So yeah, I'll come to that, guys. Are there any other questions? That's a very good discussion which we happened so far. So let me quickly share this. So this is my like I'm guys, just 6 months ago, like I was also something like you, and I spent day and nights together to get some system which help for profitability. So I am just started all these things recently. Even if you see this YouTube, I wanted to have all these videos every day, whatever market action I want to put it in. I think Telegram I was putting, but I want to put it in a single location. I started this YouTube channel, and even the Twitter also I started recently. If you see all these things, probably from July 21st, that's what was my birthday. From there only I was into full-fledged to this thing. So please feel free to like ping me on Telegram ID on this one, or else you can contact me on this number. I'll add these indicators to you. Please feel free to like give any feedback, whatever you feel. I'll try to enhance it for the betterment. So this PPT, I think I can share with you all. So just put your email ID or your WhatsApp number, so we can circulate this to you guys. Anyway, like on the Telegram channel, I'll post this. If you are not there, please join. Already there are somewhere around 105 or 110 people are actively using it. Apart from that, in actual access, I think there are 120 people who are using it. So hopefully, like I feel it is giving some better edge for your trades and better risk to reward, and you can turn profitable on this.
And I have a question. Do you have time?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I meant that. And
who is this? May I know who is this?
My name is Venkat.
Venkat. Hi, Venkat. Yeah.
Hi. First of all, congratulations and thanks for showing us and your efforts. And second thing, I just want to understand this: is it works for every time frame? You mentioned it works for all scripts. It
right.
For all the time frame.
Right. So I did mention that. I just want to re-emphasize on that. Basically, I am an intraday player. I work mostly on 3 minutes. 3 minutes, I have tested left, right, center, and everything in and out. Right. 5 minutes, I have tested to not that extent, but I have seen it is working. 15 minutes and 1 hour and 4 hours. Just for the conformance perspective, I have tested it. Since I'm not a positional player and all, I have not done extensive testing on this. So if you are a positional player, please do, like you have ample sufficient time, please do configure it for 15 minutes and see. As per my logic, it should 100% work there as well. There as well, without any like barrier on any of the scripts, be it Bitcoin, be it anything, you name it, it should work on that.
Okay. Yeah, and thing is, because here we are a little bit confused when to take the trade and while changing the real time. I know this is offline session. And, we cannot experience the tech, which hesitate to take trade when it's get confused. Will it be possible for you to take in the real time when you are,
Yep. Yeah, definitely, I will do that.
Give more, clarity on that, when to take trade and when to not take. So because we are seeing so many zigzag things in between in the range boundary, right?
Exactly.
So, yeah. So it will avoid those confusions. Possible, you probably can take one session on that.
Yeah. Definitely, I'm thinking about it. Probably like sometime next week or other next week, somewhere on the expiry day or some live day. Actually, to be frank, right, guys, I'm working for a software company. I'm a software engineer. So since it's a working from home, it has like helped me to like do this. Anyway,
you're still working, not full-time trader, right?
I'm not a full-time trader, and probably down the line I may turn into, but right now I'm still working for some company.
Okay.
So to answer your question, please expect some live trading day somewhere down the next week or other next week.
Not required an entire day, at least we.
Yeah. Definitely. Yeah, that definitely we can do. If I see something interesting which is happening, I can suddenly call for a small session and we can discuss that. Yeah, please try to be on the channel. I think members who are there, I have been updating almost from 9:30 till the day, and I have been updating completely. Just It's been just 4 or 5 days. Just go to the Telegram channel and see the chart flow. And 100% as of now, 100%, not I'm not telling like 99%, 100% for all these 4 or 5 days, whatever we have analyzed, it has gone 100% right. There is no deviation. You can just check it.
Great. Okay. All the
Okay.
best.
Yep.
Yeah, hi Tejasvi, this is Bharat here.
Hey, Bharat.
Could you please show on the chart regarding the entry, when all the 3 panes turn green, we should take entry on the first candle itself, or after the first candle, wait for the close of the first candle and take the entry?
Right. Let me take it. Okay. So see, the first and priority indicator for me is trend reader. Even before the entire world start telling some bias, my indicator will tell you the bias, whether to be on the bullish or bearish. When you see this red from the red, if it is turning green, your bias has to be on the bullish side. You might not take a trade, but it will be like on the bullish side. When you see confirmance from big picture as well as these momentum indicators, once this candle closes, right, second, not the first one, you just need to wait this candle to close on this line, right? You should be entering a long. You might get into a stop loss, but the stop loss will be like very minimal for a rally kind of this, right? 2099. If you see stop loss here, what is the stop loss? Do you know what is the stop loss for this trade? It would be somewhere. Stop loss for this trade is exit of this guy turning red. If this guy has to turn red somewhere here, it would be probably some 2 or 3 points or probably 10 points of a stop loss for this trade. Can you imagine what is the risk to reward for this trade? 2000 points. So in a nutshell, just wait for the completion. It is not a repaint. Once it's done, it is for the history, right? Once it is painted green here, this is for the history. It won't paint a red after some time and all. You should be taking a trade after the next candle, opening of the next candle.
Okay, thanks Tejasvi.
Yep. So I think that was it, guys. Just note down these details. As a retail trader and a budding kind of this product builder, I would request all of you to kindly share this as many people as possible. That would definitely help for them, as well as give some motivation for me to like enhance it and make it better. As I mentioned, there are a couple of big guys who are already in touch with me for some talks, but I don't want this to be like going to that end. I want to have it myself and enhance it, and I want to be finding my destination with respect to this. You guys can help me through like sharing. Anyway, sharing is caring. Definitely, that will help both of us. Okay.
Thank you so much, Tejasvi. I'll be stopping the recording now.